Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll see yet another improvement that is around Moodle 4.4 and let me come inside this course and suppose you have multiple sections. They have renamed the sections to all will be the same now, new section, new sections. On this course page, you can also see here the icon of activity has been changed, and here the moment I enable this, you can see it the UX level of improvement that have been made while you will be clicking on this add an activity resource. Okay, so it has been center aligned with a nice look and feel, and also you can see it is being added line with the dotted line. Let me try adding here one resource, and if you come on this adding and resource and activity page, you will also see here the icons. The resources and activity icon have been changed to a nice look and feel. Earlier it was not that much of good, and it was dark filled color, but you don't see much dark color here now. Okay, so let me try adding a file, the test file. Let's see that this one 7 display. Yes, you can see I just added this one, and now if I go back to the course uh, here, suppose you have multiple sections. So earlier there was no options to view only that particular section content, but now it is. If I click on this section, I can only see that particular section's content here. Okay, activity here. If I click on this, there is no content associated with this. I don't see anything here. So this one is also an improvement made because it gives you the more clarity. If you click on any specific, like suppose the course is been created in a way, you have the exercise 1, exercise 2. So if I click on the exercise 1, I will only see the content of exercise 1. Now coming back to the main page. So here you can also see the UX level of improvement. Some radius rotate has been given on each border box. Got it? Now, if you enable the edit mode and if you click, it will be asking you to update. It is not sending, it will not be sending you to that particular section. Then how you can do that? Yes, there is an option here. In case you are in edit mode, you'll have to come through this view. If I click on view, it will take me there. Okay, so add sections, you can also see here it is nice aligned. You can see, in case you want to highlight a particular section, you can highlight. Suppose I am highlighting this last one. Okay, if I highlight this, so on a Moodle particular course, you can highlight only one sections. Okay, if you highlight any other, the previous highlight will be removed automatically. If I highlight this one will be removed. Okay, so it was already there. Now you can move this one, this. So this one also is a new feature. You can move from directly from here. Let's suppose I am making this name the first one, changing to first one, and I want to make it to on top. So if I will click on this, I move first, and I can see after general, I can see that one. Okay, and top of general, you can't put that because it's a model. inbuilt thing, you will have to put general on top, then only you will have your sections, right? So this way you can use the move feature. And drag and, yeah, of course, the drag and drop is also here. You can that was already there, in that can we use. If I come under setting, I don't see much changes here. It remains the same as earlier, but here uh, the improvement you can see around the border, everywhere. Now, if I talk about earlier, it has been renamed to the custom sections. Earlier, I guess it was the tiled. Yes, topics. It was topic, I guess, and nothing much changes around completion trackings. Nothing around this. If you go under participants, it all remains like the previous one. No changes. I don't see here anything. Okay, and enrollment methods, roles, permissions. This, let's see, enrollment method. Yeah, no changes here as well. If I come to grade, no changes. Here you can see this change have been made. Earlier it was on the page, and now you can see it is the filter is coming on the pop-ups. So this change have been made here. Right? And here also you can see this one itself in the page. Earlier it was on the same way. If I come on report, you can see all the reports that was earlier coming. You can see. Okay. So this is all the improvement around this. And yes, the bulk action you can do here. There is one more thing, the bulk action. If I click on this, you will have the ability to check. Yes, check, and if you select that, you'll have the ability here, make it availability. If I click this, what we have to do, whether we want to hide or show, and move in case you want to move that, and delete in case you want to delete. So this one has been improved. Yes, so bulk action have been provided here. You can perform the operations bulk. Suppose you have created a course, and 20-30 activity has come inside that, and now you want to delete some of them, like the 4 or 5, then you don't have to go one by one. Directly you can select all those. Okay, so either the sections you can delete, but the moment you check one section, you will have to deal with the sections only. You can't change the hybrid one. Okay, but if in case you have checked this activity one, then you will have the ability to check all the activities. Okay, so this is the bulk features. Bulk action have been provided here in Moodle 4.4. So that's it. Please try this at your end and let me know in case you see any challenge. Thank you. Thank you.